Hello and welcome to this course. I shall be looking at the different encryption mechanisms that can be utilised across a range of AWS services that are commonly used for big data solutions, thereby enhancing the security around the protection of your data. Before we start, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Stuart Scott, I'm one of the trainers here at Cloud Academy and I specialise in AWS, Amazon Web Services. Feel free to connect with me with any questions using the details shown on screen. Alternatively, you can always get in touch with us here at Cloud Academy using the community forum where one of our cloud experts will reply to your question. This course has been designed for those who are responsible for implementing and managing security, architecting big data solutions, and anyone wanting to learn more about the encryption options available across different AWS services. This course will cover the following topics regarding services that can be used for big data encryption. Starting with an overview of encryption. This lecture explains what encryption is, the difference between symmetric and asymmetric encryption options, and why you may want to implement encryption in the first place. Then I will talk about some of the encryption options for big data storage services, including S3 and Amazon Athena, and how it works with S3 encryption. Then Elastic MapReduce, followed by RDS. Following these lectures, I will then look at encryption for the Amazon Kinesis platform, which will include Kinesis Firehose and Kinesis Streams. Finally, I will then look at encryption mechanisms for big data warehousing, where I shall be focusing on Amazon Redshift. At the very end of the course, there will be a summary lecture highlighting the main points taken from each of the previous lectures within the course, almost like a cram session. This course will provide you with an overview of what encryption is and the differences between symmetric and asymmetric cryptography. You will also gain the knowledge and understanding of available encryption mechanisms that can be used with big data solutions running on the following AWS services: S3, Athena, EMR, RDS, Kinesis Firehose, Kinesis Streams, and Redshift. As I have already mentioned, this course will be based on a number of different AWS services, and so it would be beneficial to have a basic understanding and awareness of each. It is also recommended that you have an understanding of the Key Management Service, KMS, as this will be referenced throughout the course. If you are unfamiliar with KMS, then we do have an existing course that focuses on the service, which can be found here. Feedback on our courses here at Cloud Academy are valuable to both us as trainers and any students looking to take the same course in the future. If you have any feedback, positive or negative, it would be greatly appreciated if you could use the comments section found on the landing page of this course. That now brings us to the end of this lecture. Coming up next, we are going to start off by looking at an overview of encryption.